Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to downtown for a job interview. I'll keep you guys updated when I'm done with it and what I do later today because I haven't really eaten anything too, so I need to grab something to eat right after I'm done. But yeah. Hi guys, so I just finished my interview. It went really well, but now I'm at Robson and I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm thinking Din Tai Fung because I haven't been yet since it's open. But yeah. We just finished eating Din Tai Fung and now we're gonna go hit up this dessert place. I've been looking at it on TikTok and it's like they have a collaboration with a matcha company and it's an ice cream store, so yeah. Oh my god guys, it's closed. Are you serious? Oh my god. Eating our ice cream and now we're at Paris Baguette getting an iced matcha latte just to rinse down the ice cream that we just had. So Yanis and I just finished dinner and we're at the park right now, finding a spot to go and play frisbee. I look, we don't know how to play, but it's fine. We will just learn.
Yeah.
So I was just at home cleaning up my bedroom and just tidying up my space a bit, but now I'm out with my mom. We're gonna grab lunch together before I have to go to work at 4:30. Right now it's almost 1. We're not too sure what we're gonna eat, but we'll see. Good morning guys. On today's agenda I'm going to the Apple store like in a bit to get my battery for my phone replaced, and then I'm also gonna purchase an iPad for university, and so I probably can't keep you guys updated because my phone will be gone for the battery change, but I'll try to update you guys as much as possible. But I still haven't had breakfast, so I don't know what the plan is for now, but all I know is we need to get to the Apple store by 10:30 to set up my phone battery replacement because my appointment, I think I said, was like 10:30, which I should have said later, but whatever. Hey guys, so my mom and I are kind of back at home. We are going to go to the liquor store to get my dad some alcohol because it's actually his birthday tomorrow. I bought my iPad and I don't have it with me right now because it's with my dad on the car. and then I also changed my phone battery, so I couldn't vlog anything during the time that I didn't have my phone, obviously. But we got some cocoa. We're in the Uber right now, and we're on our way home. And then I also have my birthday package waiting for me at home as well. Okay guys, so I just got back home, and here is my Aritzia package. Let's open it together. Oh, this is like really sticky. Alright, let's open it up. This is like a cute little... So this is the top. I got it in extra small, but this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go and try it on, and let's see if it fits. But yeah, and then I'm just waiting for my dad to get back home so I can unbox my iPad. Janice and I are going to the park again to go play frisbee.
Yes.
We got really good actually. I don't know if I told you guys this, but we had an 18 count of streak between the two of us.
And our goal is to try to get 25.
Yep. But yeah, we're gonna go to the park right now.
Let's go. Meet you at the park.
But they're gonna race.
Wait, just run for a second. Just run to me, okay?
Okay, wait, let's start. Let's count it there. You start there, and I'll start here. Yeah, ready? Go.
Okay, so I got the iPad Air 11-inch in the Starlight color. So here's the box. And then I also purchased a Apple Pencil. This one is the one that connects, like it's MagSafe, so it charges when you just put Apple Pencil on top of the iPad like this. We're gonna start by unboxing our iPad first. So here is the iPad, and we're gonna flip her around and unbox her. Okay, so we have this. This is like the most satisfying part for me. Oh! I wish I did that in one go, but it's fine. Let's do the other side as well. There we go. Okay. So here's the iPad, and let's open her up. Oh wow. Okay. I think this is where we just flip it around. Okay, I hope I don't drop the iPad. Here. It honestly looks silver to me, but it's also kind of like Starlight in that sense. Okay, so I have my iPad here. I think I should turn her on. Oh, there we go. Okay, but it's like I swear it looks silver, but it's Starlight, which is a bit yellow, like a bit of a beige color. There we go. Okay, let's set this as English. Awesome. In the meantime, I think as it's getting set up, the only thing that they provide for me in the box is a head and the charging cord. And then here is probably just information about the MacBook and stuff. Oh, no, not the MacBook, iPad. I always get mixed up, but it's just setting up, and well, that sets up. Let's unbox my pencil as well here. So I'm just gonna tear this part off. Okay, this one's like quite short, but okay, that was not that satisfying, but ta-da! And here is pencil. Oh, it's like wrapped up. So yeah, there's like a kind of like a smooth part for me to connect it onto my iPad. Let me try this out. This is like so. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I will get back to you guys when I'm done setting my iPad up. Okay guys, so I finally finished setting my iPad up. I just need to obviously edit some things and download some apps that I need. But I guess that's just the end of my unboxing. But I'm so excited to use this for university in the fall, and hopefully we put her into great use. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Good morning guys. It's actually not the morning, it's actually like 12, but I just got up and I'm gonna do my makeup. And then the plan for today is I finished my dad's birthday surprise, which is just what me and my mom were doing yesterday, going to the liquor store to buy him a bunch of beer. I'm going to assemble that, and then my mom and I are going to go and get some food at the mall nearby our house, and by then it's probably gonna be time where my dad comes back home. We surprise him, but we also need to buy him his birthday card and then go for dinner, which is in, I think, downtown. So yeah, super eventful day. I'm actually looking forward to my iPad case because it's said to be coming today. Dad, I feel like I just can't talk right now because I'm like multitasking. But yeah, I'm gonna get changed to work on the beer bottle assembling and then go eat. Okay guys, so the vision here is when I use all these and stack them up like a cake, like a layered cake. So we're gonna push this. Okay, so here is the bottom layer done. I wrapped it up with the bow, with the ribbon, sorry. And we just have this, the smaller ones are inside, and we're gonna stack it up. Okay guys, so here is the final look of the beer cake. I had to add more to the bottom just because it wasn't enough to support the top ones, but yeah. Okay guys, so I'm all dressed up and ready. I'm just wearing the same dress I wore for my birthday, and I'm just waiting for my dad and my brother to come back home, and he's gonna see the beer cake that we made him, and then we're gonna tip and leave. We just finished dinner and now we're on our way to Stanley Park. My mom and I are just in the car while my dad and Yanis are off playing frisbee. But dinner was so good tonight. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because the motorcycle is so loud. It was so good. Okay, anyways. The seafood platter was chef's kiss, but I'm still really looking forward to, oh, there's a bug in the car, I think. I'm still really looking forward to my dad going back home and then seeing the beer cake that we made him, because he didn't see it yet because he just picked us up and then we just left. But yeah, we're just chilling and we'll see when we get home. Mom and I are on our way to Safeway to go get some matcha ice cream. We love our Haagen-Dazs matcha ice cream, but we'll see if they have any. Hi guys, I didn't film this morning because I was just at home and my mom and I want to go get some eggs. But Mom's going to Pilates right now and I'm gonna go just stay at a nearby cafe while I wait for her to finish, and then she's gonna drop me off at Mince's place for a birthday party later. Hey guys, we are at Mince's house and this is a birthday girl today.
I
But
have like twisted tea and then like smeared ice, and then I have like this one.
we're FaceTiming Lincoln.
He wasn't picking up my calls.
I'll just stand like this.
Oh, okay.
He's not even picking up. He's at the mall, I think.
I don't think he's gonna pick up.
Brat.
Oh, look, he's got the cake.
Oh, I should have moved my face.
Yo, why do you actually?
No, one more. Okay, two more.
I'm supposed to get a Fortnite gift
Oh my god, DoorDash!
Give it the other one. Wait, one more.
Oh, thanks!
Yo, Nancy. What's up? Can you get the whiskey over there? In the kitchen. Don't give it. Brother, please.
Okay, Mince is opening her gifts!
Oh my god,
Yeah.
yay, man.
Oh my
Oh my god, whoa, that's so cool, man.
Brandy?
Yeah.
So cute.
Yo, man, that's so cool, bro. High five.
He went to the party. I like this lady.
No, how did that connect?
We're going on a walk.
We're going on a walk?
Yes,
We are going on a walk.
Is this gonna clear his head? Okay, I'm not letting Lancet anywhere near my house.
How did you get more tired?
That hurt, Jordan. Oh, wow.
Was it not like that?
I like that.
You want more of that?
Oh, I rev, bro.
Oh yeah, right.
Best friends!
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're making bulldog. It's like 1 a.m.
Oh, they put it on so nicely.
Oh yeah, they're actually such sweethearts cleaning it up.
I know, bro. Let the curry cook the curry noodles, bro.
Oh, okay, let's see you cook.
Do it.
Where's the hot water,
I closed the garage, right?
Wait, no, are you serious? You're gonna take the packet out?
bro? No, I am.
Okay.
Burn yourself.
Sesame, open! Yeah, see, I did that shit, bro.
Open. Summer vlog part 2? Summer vlog.
Let's wait that day. sleeping. Hi guys, we're on our way to go get some lunch and then we're gonna head to downtown to watch the fireworks. So we finished our lunch and now we're in downtown getting ready to go out watch the fireworks at like 10. It's only, oh my god, it's only 3 right now. So it's actually not even 3, it's like 2:25. So we have a lot of time to waste, but yeah. I don't know how I just like saw this girl here, but
It's such a coincidence. We're just trying to find a place with space on the ground, and then we saw.
yeah, just like that. Literally best friends AF. We're like putting the chairs back.
This doesn't budge. Oh, it budges on the hinge. This is good. I would buy one of these.
Oh my!